Howdy, howdy, howdy. It's me, ya boy, Skodik, you already know. But me and a couple other fellas are making a new game. It's called The Vaporway. It's a 3D platformer with some action elements, doing some combos, throwing some hands. You know how it is. And today I'm gonna show you, we have, well, it appears that we have a whole lot of nothing. And that's okay. It's okay that we have a whole lot of nothing, because we only just started. So right now, we're really in the planning phase, doing some minor prototyping here and there. And what I've got to show you is what I've made for the character controller so far. Alrighty, so here we have our glorious test scene. We should be able to show off all the things we're going to be talking about today. So first things first. We're walking around, we're moving. That's crazy.
No one has ever done that in the history of Dota!
Yeah, it's not that complex. What we can do is do a little short bounce. But what if I want to jump over this? Well, we can just hold down the button and do a bigger bounce. Technology, wow. That's crazy. Well, let's say, what if we want to go all the way up there? We can't jump that high. Which is why, for the first time in history, I'm introducing the wall jump. As you can clearly see, a little finicky sometimes, but it's only pre-alpha. We can't be complaining that much, See, made it all the way up. But here we have something that's probably going to be very fun. We got this guy right here. We can sort of walk him around. What if we wanted to just smite the fucker, Make him go all the way over there. We can put on our skates too to really just get some zoom going, And the skates are, I think, fairly unique, 3D platformer wise, because I'm basically just saying, hey, here's two ways of play. You can either say controlled, where you can turn, you can control your actions, you can slow down quicker, or I can say, hey, you got a higher top speed. But what if we want to turn around? Takes more time to slow down. But another cool thing the skates can do is, let's say I want to just turn my momentum around. You can just do that. You can just turn your momentum around, so you don't have to fumble with the sort of curve you have to make when you do it normally. And here we have a bunch of slopes in the row. I wonder what sort of thing this is supposed to be testing out. Oh yes, testing out how the character handles on slopes. The steeper the slope, the slower he goes, but he can still make it up each slope he should be able to. But what if we want to go up this slope? No can do, buckaroo, too steep. Technology, whoa. But also if we jump, we're high. If we just do regular jump, we get stuck on a slope a bit, of course, as usual. We go jump, not so high. But let's see if we can't just make our way up this moving platform gauntlet here. Moving nice and slow. But they are a little small, these platforms. Oh, yes. Landing. Do a little spin, land on this bad boy. Jump up here. Roll, jump, slow down in the air faster than we speed up. The usual platforming stuff. Skip that set of platforms entirely, because screw that noise. And huzzah! Whee!